Hey everybody, it's Jay here. How's things? No, really, how's things out there in this crazy world? We want to hear from you about how E2 language makes you feel more connected. So we want you to make a short little video of about 20 seconds telling us just that, how it makes you feel more connected to the outside world. Here are a few examples from our E2 expert teachers.
Hi, I'm Siley from E2 Language and I'm stuck here at home in Melbourne.
Hello there, my name is Mary Claire. I'm one of the tutors here at E2 Language.
Hi everyone, my name's David. I'm an expert teacher here at E2 Language.
Hi, I'm Nihal from Saudi Arabia and I'm one of students in E2 Language.
Hi, I'm Sharon from Nigeria. Studying with E2 makes me feel very connected.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and I'm from India. I'm an existing student of E2 Language.
Once you've recorded your response, upload your video to Facebook or Instagram and use the hashtag E2World and tag @E2 Language. Over the next 4 weeks, we're going to be picking a few of these and sharing them across our social media platforms. And then at the end, we're going to make a cool little mashup video. So please do send us through your video. And if you're preparing for your PT or IELTS or TOEFL or OET, stick at it. The testing centres are starting to open up. And thank you very much. I look forward to seeing your videos.